So, what's inside the automated agent system? This is the system that we are promoting to you, and let's break down lahat ng mga makukuha mong tools and features, okay? Ito na ang lahat na kailangan mo to run your entire real estate business in one place. I know some of you are trying to learn email marketing, social media marketing as well, paid ads like Facebook, YouTube ads, TikTok ads, LinkedIn ads, and even Google ads, di ba? Ang dami nun. And from this system, I'm going to reveal you like what are the features ng system natin. Okay? So I think we can start with, again, unlimited funnels and websites. So meaning, as long as you're subscribed, again, sa system natin, you can create unlimited website, unlimited funnels. No? And good thing is, may mga 1,000 plus templates na tayo na ready to build. Like, papalitan mo na lang yung picture mo. For example, nagpa-photoshoot ka, papalitan mo na lang yun, and then the property details. Okay? So, you have two options. Pwede kayo magtulungan if you're having a team. You can do this by your own. Okay? Again, this is free and unlimited. So, saan ka pa, no? And number 2 is unlimited contact sa CRM. You can put lahat ng leads mo. One trivia lang, the one qualification daw that you're having a good business is to have a customer list. If wala kang customer list, you don't know where you're going.